I've wanted to start a book account for years. I started one in high school called Inspire Book Love, but ended up too busy and didn't do much with it. This was the perfect opportunity to start a more professional and effective brand that reflected my personality more. That's why it's called Ringtailed Reader, by the way, because I love how quirky lemurs are and wanted to convey my true personality instead of being all formal and not really myself in my brand. My ultimate goal was to put out content that people identify with. I wanted to connect with other readers around my age, teens through 30s mostly, and find out what their reading habits and thoughts on book-related things are. I started this brand from scratch, at 0 followers. Here's what it looks like now, at 323 followers. My first posts got a lot of good results. They had many comments and likes, and best of all, I got to chat with other members of the Bookstagram community. My Twitter account didn't do nearly as well. It surged at the end due to the promotion I used, but people didn't really engage. I learned that I really need to use much different content between Instagram and Twitter. I use Instagram all the time and really know how to connect with people there. But I just started using Twitter and don't know it as well. I needed to adjust my approach, I think, if I wanted to connect with more people there. I've had a learning curve, and now that I realize more what I need to do on Twitter, I know I'll be able to draw more of an audience there. My posting schedule was to post images Tuesdays and Thursdays, and post Instagram stories and tweet about the same thing on other weekdays. This meant I was posting content 5 days a week. My image posts were always book-related, but my stories and other tweets were about lots of things. I wanted people to see my personality and interests beyond books. Nobody has just one interest alone. Mondays I posted something to look forward to, or some sort of inspirational thought. I know people need a pick-me-up sometimes, and Mondays are tough. Wednesdays were one of my favorites. I posted a song of the week, and kept those as a highlight on my Instagram profile. Fridays, I posted a random fun fact, or something I liked or was looking forward to. Overall, I posted 19 times on my account, including images and the video project. For the other stories and tweets, I posted 30. Since my goal was connecting with other people and talking to them, that's what I worked on throughout this project. I came to realize that social media connections work almost the same as in-person connections for me. When I reached out to others, they reached out to me. So when I connected with other people on posts, tweets, or stories, they remembered me and responded to the questions in my posts. The people responding were consistently people I had responded to. My Twitter account consistently went nowhere except at the end of the project when we ran a promotion. The most I got by myself was 98 impressions, but I got about 1,500 with the promotion. I now have a total of 13 followers, so you can tell I need to work on that a lot since it's so much less than my Instagram. I'm focusing on Instagram results since I have a lot more to talk about there. My first 2 posts actually got over 200 likes each, way more than any of my following posts. Notably, I received 37 comments on those 2 posts. The auto post Instagram made of my profile photo when I created the account has 60 comments on it. I believe these results came from good hashtags, the fact that I was new, and good scroll-stopping pictures. The next few pictures didn't do very well, and I realized the pictures of me, and not just a book, did a lot better. So I got a light for taking pictures, and I tried to post more content with me in it. My pictures got a lot better after I realized this and got that picture light. The rest of my posts have at least a few comments, which is what I was aiming for. I was able to connect with over 75 different accounts in comments and other conversations throughout this project. As of right now, I'm confident that I can keep analyzing and learning more, and as a result, grow the number of people I'm connecting with even more as I go.